Okay, what's up, guys? So this is John Yu, aka Boomie Trader. Actually, I'm just curious, concerned now. Now that malakas yung market, no, I think a lot of people are trying to invest. During the pandemic, all of us are working from home. Wala tayong masyadong magawa, and then we're looking for other sources of income. So I think one of the sumikat din na business is yung stock market. Marami nagtatanong sa akin coming in, about the stock market, cryptocurrency, forex during the whole pandemic. So recently we had a huge run up. Okay, so I wrote short blog. It's about the 5 biggest trading mistakes that traders usually make, new traders make, but sometimes kahit na old traders, they are prone to this also. I just want to share with you guys some of them so we can avoid them in the future. This is a video, supporting video para lang ma-explain ko further kung ano po yung minimin ko. Okay, so here's my blog on my website. You can actually visit it at www.johnedwardu.com and you can find it here. Okay, the 5 biggest trading mistakes that new traders make. Okay. So number 1, ignoring the risk. Okay, so sometimes na-excite tayo, we want to invest. Okay, so let's say you're investing 10,000, 100,000, 500,000, it doesn't matter how much. So paglagay mo pa lang ng money mo sa account mo, pag fund mo pa lang, after 1 week pa lang, wala pang 1 week, na-invest mo na lahat. So we get excited, hindi natin minsan nakakalculate yung risk. Ano ba yung risk? It's how much money do you decide to put in that certain investment, whether it's property, whether it's cryptocurrency or stocks. So kunyari meron kang 500,000, meron kang or 50,000. You want to allocate siguro okay, 20% lagyan natin sa cryptocurrency. Medyo risky kasi. Tapos yung mga 50% lagyan natin sa stocks. And the other 30% we'll put it in properties, di ba? So pwedeng ganon, or pwedeng all stocks but it's diversified. It's going to be 500,000, you put 10% on speculative stocks, and you put 50% on blue chip stocks. So that is one of the biggest mistakes that people usually make, right? Na di nila nakikita yung risk, 'di ba? Parang it's all naiisip lang natin parate yung how much I can earn, 'di ba, when I invest, but we don't think of how much we can lose, right? Okay, number 2 comes to cost versus value. Okay, this is one of the biggest misconception ng mga tao talaga. Okay, so sinasabi ko lang na a stock that is trading at 2 pesos doesn't mean that it's cheap. So parati sinasabi, narinig ko, oh, ayoko bumili ng Jollibee kasi 200 pesos per share. Bili na lang tayo ng below 10 pesos. Okay? So, yun yung gusto nila. So, this is actually, every time parati itong question sa akin. Gusto ko, sir, mahal na yan. Ayoko yung 200 pesos. Ayoko ng PLDT or Globe, 2,000 pesos per share. Gusto ko yung mura lang, below 5 pesos lang po. Okay. So the price of the share does not mean na kung mura siya, cheap siya. Okay? So here, we will illustrate something. Okay. Here, you can see Philinvest Land. You have to check their market capitalization. As you can see here, market capitalization is the amount of shares times yung price ng shares niya. Okay, so let's say it's now doing at 1.18. Okay, so 1 peso and 18 cents. So it's now valid at 28 billion. Okay, so the whole company of Philinvest is valued at 28 billion at 1 peso 1.18 per share. Okay, moving on. Tingin tayo ng bagong stock. Mega World. Ngayon, yung Mega World nasa 4 pesos per share. But look at the market capitalization here. It's valued at 131 billion. So 4 pesos lang yan, pero 131 billion na yung value niya. Okay, we look at another company. Araneta Properties. This is medyo mas maliit lang na property property na company compared to Fininvest and Mega World, diba? So here we can look, this is worth only 2 billion. But yung share price niya is at 1.25. 1.25 yung share price niya, mas mataas pa nga sa Fininvest Land yung share price niya. Pero yung value niya is only valued at 2 billion pesos. Which is here at Fininvest, it's at 28 billion. So, cheap prices of stock doesn't translate to mas mura yung value ng company. So, you have to check the market capitalization always, financials, to be aware of what companies you're trying to invest in. Okay? So, that's the second one. Okay. Third one. Okay. Panic buying and panic selling. So we are all part, victim tayo ng herd mentality. So if ever one stock is moving up, mabili, hot stock of the week, dito Telecom, now Telecom, lahat bumibili, lahat maraming kumikita. So mapapabili ka rin, 'di ba? Wala sa plan natin pero bibili ka lang blindly because you're just following others people's advice and then nadadala tayo ng emotion and hype. And then on the other side of that panic buying, we have panic selling. Okay, panic selling is okay, you have a gain of 10% or 20%, suddenly pagkita mo bilang nawala na bigla. Yung up ng 20% mo naging down na ng 5%. And then natatakot ka na. You put in your hard-earned money in that stock, tapos natatalo na. So, mapapabenta ka. Minsan, mapapabenta ka at the low end of the price. Tapos, after a while, aakyat ulit. So, these are all triggered by emotions, diba? The fear of losing, the fear of missing out. I always talk about this with my students. So, how do you solve this problem? To solve it, you have to have a concrete plan. You write down what you want to buy, diba? Kung anong plan, anong stocks gusto natin. If biglang may na-hype na stocks na wala dun sa list natin, then don't buy it. Because mangyayari niyan, 1 out of 10 times na madidisgrasya ka dahil wala naman sa plan mo, nabilin siya, tapos sinabi lang sa'yo ng friend or nakita mo lang sa Facebook or sa isang chat na, uy, umakit na, tapos 50% up na siya, tapos mapapabili ka. So that is one of the things na we should try to avoid. Okay, number 4, it's risking too much. Okay, of course, marami sa atin gusto natin ng high risk and high reward. Okay. So, marami din dito, cryptocurrency, di ba? High risk, high reward. Ano ba meaning ng high risk, high reward? Usually, that is a very, medyo shady nga yung high risk, high reward. Minsan nga, papautangin ka, di ba? Uutang ka, tapos malaking interest, di ba? So, or promise sa'yo ng, invest ka ng 100,000, babalik sa'yo 100,000 mo in 1 week. So, that is, yielding greater results, tapos hindi naman, it's too good to be true, no? And then you should not risk too much on those kinds of investments. If ever, let's say, you want to risk, okay, bibili ako ng cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Okay, so if meron kong savings na 100,000, you might want to put just 10%, 10,000 pesos doon. Okay, huwag mo lalagay 100,000 kung hindi ka rin sure about that investment. Okay? Number 5 is the get rich quick mentality. Okay. Most of you guys, alam mo, pag natanong kayo, where you're working in the finance industry, tapos you're doing the stock market, di ba? So, parang in-expect nila that you are very, very rich. And then, you drive a nice car, you live in a good house. Wala nga rin ako, personally, I don't have Porsche or a sports car. I don't have that. So, this is not a get rich quick na business, okay? So, that is not the reality of this business. So, yung expected return natin, 20% in a month, double in a year. It's possible, but very, very highly unlikely attainable if you are, you know, just a newbie in the market, or you lack experience. And then, even the most experienced ones will have a hard time of doing those kinds of returns, diba? So, um, stocks grow in value in time. So, in years pa nga di ba? So, siguro 20 years ago, Jollibee was only 10 pesos. Now, it's at 200, right? So, hindi ka instant rich pag nag-invest ka. But, I'm that's the fifth one. I'm always a fan of the investing. I'm pro investing. I'm pro stocks. I encourage everyone to do it. But sinasabi ko lang, just be aware first of what you're getting into, whether it's stocks, cryptocurrency, or properties. Okay, so final thoughts here. Um, they don't you should know first where you're investing in, like for example cryptocurrency. I know about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, but all the other coins hindi ko alam yan, so I don't invest on those other stuff. Okay, meron akong may stock market po tayo, bilang maakyat po yung Abra mining. It's been up for the last 50 more than 50% in the last 3 days, but hindi ko po alam ano yun eh. So I didn't buy it because lack of awareness. I would be more comfortable buying stocks or companies that I know na kung anong business nila, right? So these are the five things that traders usually make when trading the stock market, lalo na yung mga baguhan. So I'd like to share this to you guys para ma-avoid nyo siya in the future. Okay? So here, one last thing. Support nyo naman ako. I'm gonna be having a talk next week, the 20th of December. That's Sunday at 9 p.m. Okay? Click on the link below. I will post it on the link here. Mamaya dyan sa YouTube link. Dyan yung link. Click on that link to register for free. Okay, it's a 2-day event. I'll be the last one to speak sa December 29 o'clock p.m. Okay, so I'll be joined by the humble trader. This is Asian trader sa USA, si Rainier Teo, top trader in Singapore. Adam Grimes published a couple of books on technical analysis. And then we have Gary Yang talking about Forex. So I'll be the only Filipino guy talking here. I'll be proud representing our country, and I'll be wearing a Philippine flag. So, guys, register kayo. Free yan. Free learnings. Diba? So, nothing to lose. Before Christmas Day, diba? Just watch it for free. I'll be on 9 p.m. If you want to watch the other guys, they have their own schedule. So, yes, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this article helped you a lot. Good luck in your trading journey. Don't hesitate to email me at boomieuniversity@gmail.com if you have more questions. Thank you. God bless and happy holidays.